Hi, this is Rick Sorsey with Stockdale Kitchen and Bath, and we've been doing a lot of outdoor kitchens. This one's extra special. I wanted to show it off. First off, the cabinetry are maple, and they've been waterproofed, and the color of it is called slate. Now we're protecting it with a honey golden stacked stone. Really pretty and soft and matches the countertops and the cabinetry really well. This is their barbecue setup. So we got the 42-inch Pro Grill. We've got a 30-inch griddle. Now this is great for breakfast and making pancakes and smash burgers. But the part my client has been most excited about is this high output sideburn that they've been cooking with. They use the wok on it and they've enjoyed the heck out of it. Now it's all vented with a 60-inch flush mounted vent fan. Now this is controlled with a Bluetooth remote control. Now, check out this stone. This is a quartzite, and it's called Igene Blue. It's in a leathered finish, and what's nice about quartzite is it's very, very hard and resilient to heat, so it's perfect for outdoors. And to mount a barbecue in it, it's gonna get to a hot temperature. Well, perfect selection. Then we have a refrigerator, and the other thing my client asked for was a 30-inch regular oven. Now this is nice because they're gonna be able to complete the whole meal outdoors. Now, 65-inch TV. Watch the games. What fun. This is gonna be a great entertaining space for it. Ice maker. Now this is a Scotsman ice maker, and it's the same ice that's in Sonic. So it's the nugget ice, really cool. Apron front sink, and it's a brushed pewter faucet by Delta. Ceramic electric heaters to control the temperature of our outdoor room. Then, here's the magic. Now, this is called Allure Agate, and the color is earth. And each one of these slabs takes over a week to make. They're hand-cut geode agates, and they're hand-placed in here, hand-cut, and all the little parts are all the shavings from when they cut it. But the coolest part, well, it lights up. What a fun room this is. What a great client. I've done almost their whole house and enjoyed every minute of it. This is Rick Sorsey with Stockdale Kitchen and Bath. If you have any questions, please give me a call at 834-3333. That's 834-3333. Thanks for riding along.